Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video we list out top stocks to invest in 2021. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also follow us at StarFacts01 on Instagram. The stock market always has a few surprises in store, as any investor in 2020 would attest. But by and large, the biggest factor experts are considering as they identify the best stocks to buy for 2021 is the same factor that dominated 2020's top stocks typically were tied to companies that benefited from new and accelerated trends resulting from COVID-related lockdowns. However, many of the best stocks for 2021 are largely expected to benefit from a return to normalcy and a healing economy. Here, then, are the 7 best stocks to buy for 2021. Number 1, PayPal Holdings. Industry: credit services. Market value: $247 billion. In September, Will Danoff celebrated 30 years managing Fidelity Contrafund, FCNTX. His recent performance has not been spotless. The fund, with $125 billion in assets, has failed to beat its large company benchmark in 2 of the past 5 years. But James Glassman, contributing columnist for Kiplinger's Personal Finance and a visiting fellow at the American Enterprise Institute, is not counting Danoff out. His long-term record is what counts, and it is brilliant. Number 2, Castle Biosciences. Industry: diagnostics and research. Market value: $1.2 billion. Glassman also has been looking closely at the portfolio of Wasatch Ultra Growth, WAMCX, a fund bucking the trend by returning an incredible annual average of 26.6% over the past 5 years. Wasatch is making a big bet on healthcare, at more than a third of the fund's assets right now. One of those bets is Castle Biosciences, CSTL, $58.05, a company headquartered outside Houston that has developed proprietary tests for skin and eye cancers. Castle shares began trading only a year and a half ago and have since shot up 262% from their initial public offering, IPO, price of $16. But Wasatch continues to add to its holdings, and CSTL now ranks among the fund's top 10 stocks to buy at 2.4% of AUM. Number 3, IEC Electronics. Industry: electronic components. Market value: $121.9 million. Small company stocks have been out of favor for at least 6 years, but there are still gems to mine. Dan Abramowitz, whose Rockville, Maryland-based firm Hilton Financial Management specializes in such stocks, found a major winner in 2020 in Chemours, CC, a maker of refrigerants and other chemicals that has delivered a total return, price plus dividends, of 56.9% through early December. For 2021, he likes IEC Electronics, IEC, $11.61, with a market capitalization, shares outstanding times price, of just $122 million. IEC specializes in devices for the medical and defense sectors, and business has been booming. Number 4, Hilton Worldwide Holdings. Industry: lodging. Market value: $29.6 billion. Hilton Worldwide Holdings, HLT, $106.70, is a bet on a post-COVID recovery. Demand will pick up as the pandemic fades, says Matt Gershuni, co-manager of Parnassus Midcap, PARMX, who recently bought shares in the hotelier. There's no denying the virus's damage to Hilton, on track to report a 50% decline in sales and a 64% drop in earnings for 2020. Revenue per available room was $47 in late 2020, down from $102 in 2019. But Wall Street analysts expect earnings to gain ground in 2021. And a cash pot of $3.5 billion will see Hilton through. Number 5, Alibaba Group. Industry: internet retail. Market value: $713.7 billion. Glassman is interested in the big, new stake that Matthews China, MCHFX, took in global e-commerce giant Alibaba Group, BABA, $263.80. At 11.1% of assets under management, AUM, Alibaba is now the fund's second largest holding, behind Chinese tech conglomerate Tencent Holdings, TCEHY, 11.3%. Alibaba is booming. Revenues have more than tripled in 3 years. The stock is booming, too, but its continued upside potential makes it one of the best stocks to buy for 2021. Number 6. Pinterest. Industry. Social media. Market value. $42.3 billion. Pinterest, pins, $68.47, is a social networking app that allows users to share images grouped by keywords. Generally speaking, the user experience is about finding and providing inspiration. Pinterest makes money from advertising. Its new ad technology platform, in partnership with Shopify, Shop, allows advertisers to upload catalogs to Pinterest. Users can buy items with just a few clicks, a development barren opportunity, BIOPX fund manager Michael Lippert says will transform Pinterest's business. He thinks the shares could gain 25%, on average, over each of the next 4 years. Number 7. Twilio. Industry. Internet content and information. Market value. $50.2 billion. Twilio, TWLO, $312.54, enables businesses to integrate text, chat, email, voice and video into products that boost customer engagement, automatic text notifications for appointments, say, or communication between Instacart shoppers and hungry families. Twilio benefits from the accelerated digitization of business brought on by the pandemic, and it is diversifying its customer base. Though profits are still scarce as Twilio invests in growth, the communications firm is well-positioned to meet sales growth targets of 30% plus in each of the next 4 years, says Canaccord Genuity, which rates the stock a buy. So that's all. Hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also follow us at StarFacts01.